Hello and welcome. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can easily connect any external microphone with an audio output to your phone, and you can use it to live stream or to just record some videos. All you need is two cables. The first one is a splitter. You're gonna connect it to your audio jack on your phone, and it basically splits the audio jack into an input and an output. After you connected it, you're gonna need the other cable, and it's just a regular jack to jack cable. You connect it to the input that goes to your phone, and on your microphone, I'm using the Zoom H1, you also have an audio output, and you just connect it to that. Now that it's connected, we can test it, and I'm using this application that shows you the waveform of any audio that it has as an input. So we can just test it. I'm just gonna make some sounds. You can see that it doesn't react to the scratching of the microphone on the phone. So now the external microphone. So this is it. It's a very simple setup and very efficient, and it improves the audio quality quite well. So thank you for watching, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.